Hey guys, it's Aslan here. Welcome to Smart Kid Rotator Club YouTube channel. Or if you're watching on YouTube or Steemit, welcome there as well. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure follow me on Steemit. It's an amazing platform. Okay, there is no referral commission or anything that I'm promoting here. This is a decentralized Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, whatever you like to call it. You get paid to post here. Basically, if people like your post, they upvote you and things like that. I've been making very good money with this. My first video made me over $200 on DTube. DTube is one of the steamiest platform that you can watch videos. You can upload videos there and things like that. In future videos I will explain more about that. Anyways, make sure do subscribe if you like the video and give us a thumbs up. So basically I have been updating you guys every day almost with the Bitcoin. That's what I do technical analysis. I'm a day trader or swing trader, now a kind of investor that most people are these days. I have a group of 15,000 members on Facebook. The link is under this video as well. And I did votes today, and just to know what type of members do I have in the group. The most members, 70% said they are investors, long-term investors, long-term or short-term, whatever you like to call it. And about 80% doesn't even know what's the project really on about. They haven't read the white paper, but they're saying investing. Doesn't matter. Anyways, that's what I'm trying to say. To me, it does not matter wherever the alts go or anything, because I was out early as well from alts, and for me alts are very cheap comparing to others that have been holding a board like a week ago. So yeah, Bitcoin is fighting, is doing amazing. The volume we seen in the whole day, we haven't seen that volume recently. I haven't seen this type of volume anywhere here. We had a spikes, okay. Look at this comparing to this, okay. This shows we are look at this, and yes, we had a lot of volume here, but nothing comparing to this. We had volume, just a few spikes, that's it, that's all we had. And this was the biggest one, and which didn't even get that much volume. Okay, we are at 4-hour time frame. This is what shows this can be a bottom. Okay, this volume, look at this green. Can you see this volume anywhere there? Like, we seen this because this was up here before we had the proper dump. Okay, proper dump mean a correction or pullback, so many call it, there's different names. But after that long time, we start seeing volume, like accumulation from a big players, big guys that have huge money. And this is what gives me confidence. Yes, we can move from here up, and high chance of moving up and hitting. First we need to hit this fib level is 382 fib level, 38%. Yeah, and if we cross that, there is a one more barrier of descending trend line. Okay, we need to cross that first. We already crossed this, the first one. We need to cross this one. We have fib level and the descending, so this is gonna be a strong zone to break. If we break this, the next level is this, to test this. And as a swing trader, I mean, I don't trade BTC, I'm just long-term holder. I trade in altcoin. What I'm thinking to do is just to be safe and make easy money there, because I know personally first time we're not going to break it first time. I'm pretty sure about that. We are not going to break this first time. And as soon as we go closer to this, I'm gonna sell here just close to this, and I will wait, because what I'm thinking is from here we're gonna pull back here at this fib level, because if you see, we had so many tests here in this fib level. This is a strong zone to even break. This was a support, strong support. Now it became a resistance, and breaking this won't be easy, I'm letting you know now, because from here we will have a pullback as well. I'm pretty sure we will. And what I'm expecting is we'll go up here, okay, or we will do this, a small pullback here and then hit here and then pull back slowly. We may break this, then we'll stop here and then pull back to test the support and then go up, and somewhere here or we may test this 7. This is a very strong fib level as well. 23%. It depends. Some people do the fib level different way. This chart is zoomed in. I will zoom out at daily as well. I will show you that as well. Well, I'm just showing you the scenario what I'm thinking gonna happen, because everyone's now thinking bottom is done, and this is the pattern we're gonna see. And from here, okay, the first pullback I'm really expecting to test again 13,000. It's around 15,000. 15,000 is a very strong area. If you've been following, if you watch my other videos, I've been saying 14,500 to 15,000 is a very strong area. And one more thing, we have 50 moving average. That is gonna be a big barrier for us as well. Like here, okay, if you see 50%, let me just change this was 100. Okay, let's see on one daily first. This was 100 moving average. Okay, we broke this one day and we closed above. Second day we broke this, and if you've been watching my video, I've been doing videos Hindi Urdu first. This trend line and this one is from a few weeks or months. Okay, this is not recently done, this trend line, and we did get the support here. We got the support here, and now we got the support. If you see closely, we got the support at this fib level and 100 MA moving average. These levels are very strong level. I have been always saying, and if you follow me on Steemit or not, I'm not sure, but if you see, this was the video I did yesterday, but I gave chart here. Okay, we'll zoom in the chart. What do you see here? I did said this level is very strong level. Okay, we were at 11,000, but I predicted we're gonna hit this level. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, what do you see here? It is exact. Look at this. Is exact at the same place. I did not even made any changes. Didn't make any changes, and we hit exact at that point before bouncing. Where is it? I updated this here, so you can see here. You can go on Steemit, check it, and I come again in the video. You can see it again. This was the exact chart I posted there, and I'm sharing here as well. So you see, it's just all about the market. You need to understand how the market works. Everyone in news article, everyone I saw, they were saying they wanted to buy Bitcoin at 8,000, but what Bitcoin did is it came just below 9,000 and jumped up. Why? Because everyone wants to buy it. There's huge support at their area at 8,000, and that's why it jumped before 8,000 level. 8,700 was a huge area as well, like this part. This fib level was a strong zone as well, and we had this trend line. It didn't even touch this trend line, the amount of support it had, and then there's a FOMO that jumped in and took the price higher. I didn't even care. Even the Bitcoin came here at 5,000. I wouldn't even care, because I'm a long-term holder. I don't care if it goes down, because my mission is to multiply my Bitcoin. I did sell my Bitcoin here the most, and I did sell only one at this level, around this level, 13,700. I sold to buy again. Then I said, man, let me just cash out to have some money in Faith as well. I know I don't want to do it, but end of the day, the thing is, I want to have something else. I had my old money in crypto before I cashed out at the top, and I need that money because I'm getting married. So in April I'm getting married, so of course I do need money and all those things. So I said I will cash out, and that's what I did at the top. I said, let me cash out 20%, 30%. Yeah, I did around 30% cash out. I did some here as well. I said, I don't care if it goes down to 5k, let me just cash out what I need, and I did cash out 1 BTC here. It doesn't matter anyway. So that's what I'm predicting right now. Even looking at the daily, we have a resistance here at this level. First we need to break this level, and there's going to be a lot of volume coming in. When we break this level, like it tested and pulled back a little bit. When we break this level, this body top, and there's going to be volume pretty good volume gonna come in, and then we break this, and there's gonna be a lot, because this is gonna be one of breakout after downtrend. This is gonna be huge. It's gonna bring a lot of volume. Maybe we don't even stop much here, we just cross it and try to hit this. And if I see by tomorrow, if we try and hit this, I'm pretty sure in one day this is a huge growth and it will have a comeback. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna swing trade, and I will be rebuying around this level. I'll even goes down, I don't care, I still may grow my BTCs, because that's the only reason I'm selling here, buying here to make more BTCs. Sell high, buy cheap, and that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, this is a rough prediction, and we kind of making a bull flag. This can be subs wing, one cycle, and then this can gonna be one big wave. Okay, this can be one big wave. If we make a bull flag and go for the top, this can be one bull flag. That's what happens. So many time I've seen in alts, they make 5 sub waves to make one big wave. Okay, even BTC did, as you can see here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and the 5, when there is a FOMO, always gonna be the big one. And then 1 2 3, the correction. That's what happens. And correction mostly comes close to the third wave. That's what I've seen in alts. It's not like written everywhere I read, it's just me what I saw so far in the market. And right now I'm seeing a positive sign here. Okay, kind of positive sign, because we got a good support at 100 moving average, and this is very good sign to see. And if we break this and close daily up here, this is going to be one of good sign as well, because this is a doji candle or pin bar, whatever you like to call it. There's so many names, but this is a good signal to see a support and volume as well. And yeah, 1 second. This is one good support area as well. Sorry, the resistance area that we need to look for. This area around this. This is the zone we need to look for. This is the exact same one that I'm talking about, at 13,000 level, where we saw here a trend line coming and everything. At 13,000 area, this area is at 20,000. This is a Bitstamp chart, and this is GDAX chart. I don't look at Bittrex, Poloniex chart, because those are USDTs, and I prefer to look at real USD charts where people buy with real money. I mean, Fed is kind of real money. Anyways, guys, I think that was useful. Okay, and even RSI, we were about there, our sold zone, but what happened is we went up and closed up, so because of that we moved around, and the RSI came up and closed, but we had a pretty good bounce like we did here. But in this one, the difference is we closed red, like a lot red here, so that is why we see more as a V shape, but here we don't see that much. On the 4 hour, you see the way it dumped, the way it came down, and right now I'm expecting a 4 hour to hit 50 RSI level, and you see here 1 2 3 4 5, so many rejection from 50 RSI, so many rejection, and we came down. That's what happened when market gets so many rejection. First we go rejection, a small pullback, and a rejection, and then a big one. So that's what happens. I've seen so many times, and it's not just a trend line we need to see. Even RSI, just looking at RSI, you can do a lot of trading and make a lot of money if you understand just RSI. And MACDs are almost turning to bullish as well, and that's gonna give us a good hope we can break this and touch that, because now people gonna get hope, because we see the green everywhere right now. Right now, let me refresh. We had roughly, how many billions we have today? Oh my god, we had around 100 billion coming in. Okay, the market looks green, that's what I'm trying to say, because this shows only last 24 hours. People don't understand this. This is last 24 hours, not the overall. We went up, and the British domination is coming down again. Money is going in ours. People are just buying ours, it's cheap, and they're just jumping on us. Right now I'm waiting to break this. I already tested this 11,657 level. If we break this, this is gonna be very good to bring more volume, because people of course like to buy at the breakouts. If you break this high, this red candle, what it says, where the high is, yeah, 634, 11634. If we break this, we're gonna see a pretty good volume coming in, and a one more volume spike. If we zoom in, we see we have a pretty good support here. By end of the day, yesterday was better because we had this sale zone around here at this level. I could see a lot, like compared to selling wall, a big buy wall. But I still think we will have a pullback after hitting that resistance. Not yet. Hitting that resistance. If you want to swing trade, I mean, if you know technical analysis, you can do swing trade. Yeah, these are the level. We're gonna break this right now. What I'm expecting. We already tested this and failed, and it came back to test the support, and we're gonna go and hit this level at around 13,000 and test that. We have 1,000, around a 14-15% to go from here to there. It's a lot of money to make comparing to. That's why so many stock traders coming in Bitcoin trading. This volume looks so good. Okay, comparing to this. Look at this. Why is this? Seriously, why is this? This doesn't show anything. You see, this is what shows we have found the bottom. Okay, this doesn't show anything. People are saying, oh, we're gonna move up this and that. No, we're not. And this was a sale because there's no volume that's saying, okay, we're gonna break this and we're gonna go high. No. And this was around a big resistance level, sorry, a fib level as well, and there's a huge resistance level as well at this area. And yeah, you see this level here, this was a strong area as well. Anyways, doesn't matter. By next month we'll be back here and up, maybe a new high. That's what happened whenever we had a downtrend, a crash. Every time next month we'll be making a new high. So it doesn't matter in BTC. In alts it does. Okay, alts will have whole cycle and then they will go. And I will do a video when to buy long term, because I'm gonna buy personally long term when we have a new cycle. Market cycle is gonna be in summer, and every time we've seen this cycle in the market, I'm not sure if it's gonna happen, but if it happens, then I'll be buying a lot of money, coins. And that cycle is gonna happen when we break a new all-time high. Watch for it, because it's gonna be sick. How it's gonna drop in BTC value, dollar will stay up, BTC value they're gonna drop, and I'm gonna be there buying cheap and filling my bags. That's why I'm a just trader, and I will wait for the good opportunities. Okay, right now we're trying to break this level. As I said before, we're trying to break this level. If we manage to break this, we're gonna hit for sure this level around 13,000. And yeah, and then if we break this part, and we're gonna go up, we're gonna test this, because there's a 100 MA here for 4 hour. We're gonna get resistance here as well, then it's gonna test and then move up. So that's what happens in market, because everyone have using different indicators and they look for different things. Some people will look RSI, some people will look some trader actually with for RSIs and moving average. Some will look for trend lines, some will look for support and resistance, power resistance, some will look for fib levels. I mean, there's so much that will make it pull back a little bit and then move ahead. There's so much to look for. Okay, it depends in the short or long term. For long term, they will go for 1 day. Okay, we haven't seen the weekly or monthly. Let's see what weekly and monthly have to say. Okay, weekly. 1 second. Oh my god, it's oh my like that's right. We broke weekly here, and this was a huge sale sign when we broke weekly here. I don't normally check weekly, it's just my mistake. So we got big support at this level. This was the level to look for. Weekly is a great thing to look for support levels. Yeah, it's just great, because the market reacts so much at weekly levels. We've been here for 3 weeks. Okay, and other than that, Weekly RSI almost about to hit 50 as well. Okay, from here we can get a bounce. Okay, I'm not sure, we do need sometimes it doesn't follow the thing. What was gonna say, doesn't always follow that technical analysis. We already had this, we had a just exact same dip in the past. We had here as well. Weekly has been doing the similar pattern, so weekly is fine. But we have here MACD is gonna turn down, so this is not a good sign actually. And other than that, monthly, we need to look sometime this thing as well. Okay, comparing to buying, we had a less selling. So less selling, everybody's less selling. Long term, this is decent, and we're still bullish monthly. And the monthly only moved, only the monthly broke actually. This line was has been drawn when we had Bitcoin at the top. I did a Facebook live, and Bitcoin was on 19,000, 17, 18, 19,000 actually, somewhere there on the top, I'm pretty sure. When I said I sold mine, I said this is so so like overboard. 1 2 3, we had 5 waves in RSI. Okay, and then we broke this is a bearish one, like huge bearish, and we broke this. And right now we will see what's gonna happen. Looking at monthly, we're not doing great. Okay, even we say we are back, and see, end of the day, as I said before, we need to look for you need to be ready for everything that happens. Okay, and I don't want to give any financial advice, do this and that, but I shared everything that I thought is right. Okay, and daily we see this is the most volume came after this. Okay, we need to see volume at downtrend where it's gonna change the trend. Okay, this wasn't enough when we went up again, so this is a lot to move up. And both day we got a lot of volume. The third day we will see what we're gonna get, and if we create a FOMO, there's gonna be huge green volume. Then there's gonna be a lot of people buying again Bitcoin. And of course this is a huge level, as I said before as well. We have a three things here to stop it. We have 50 moving average, we have fib level, we have a descending trend line. These level to cross is gonna be hard. It requires a lot of volume, and then we will see a push up here and then back. And see, this level is not going to be easy to break. I'm just letting you know right now, because it wasn't easy to break. What would be easy to, sorry, it wasn't 50, is 9. I changed it. Even the 9 is pretty good. It's not that hard as 50. Okay, there is a 50. Let me just share with you where's 50 gonna be. This video is getting quite long. Okay, the 50 is moving higher as well, so by the time we reach here, maybe this will move close to this. We may hit this level, but we won't close on top, we will close below that. That's what happens in the market most of the time, and we're gonna move up. This is gonna become a resistance. I'm very sure that what I'm gonna sell just before this, and if it stays here, I will sell. I will wait for both condition. And I'm not saying go and sell, I'm just trading. Okay, you are long-term investor, stay with it, but I'm a trader. I will trade and stay, because I don't sell all, I only sell what I'm using for trading. I have in my ledger the long term, so I will keep that as it is. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This video is getting very long. Make sure follow me, my Facebook group, and everything is gonna be under this video, the Telegram channel. If you want to stay up to date, mostly I'm more active on Facebook group. You can join that, or you can follow me on Steamer. I hardly update every day, but update less. I mean, the most valuable things that I think it is interesting and they should know as well, my estimated followers, because it's all about the quality. So that's why I want to give quality. But Facebook, I post a lot of junk as well, so whatever is there in my mind, I just post it there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in next video. Bye, take care, have a nice day, and make sure you do buy some Bitcoin. The risk is pretty low actually, I say at this point, so make sure you do buy if you want to buy Bitcoin. See ya, bye.